love dumplings. When we visited Taiwan with our 2 kids, we were determined to learn to make soup dumplings from the best cooking school in Taipei and unlock the secrets that keep them from leaking. Then we realized, why stop at dumplings? We are the learners and makers. Our world schooling family has traveled the world since 2022, empowering families and people with mobility disabilities to travel more their way.
Secrets of soup dumplings. Every time we eat a soup dumpling, we wonder how the soup stays in while the dumpling is getting filled and folded. Some brilliant yet simple dumpling trick surely keeps the soup in. Would we be able to master it during our 3-hour cooking class in Taipei? Or would we wind up covered in hot soup?
In our class, a secret truth kept in the soup mixture during prep: cold, gelatinous broth. When chilled, the broth is so thick it's like jelly. Only during steaming does it liquefy into a fragrant, delicate, savory, hot soup deliciousness that we couldn't wait to sip up.
Other dishes. After mixing ground pork into chilled cubes of soup, we moved on to other dishes to prepare. Tapioca pearls softened for fresh bubble milk tea. We smashed cucumbers and marinated them for a tangy salad. Cinnamon and star anise scented the kitchen as we simmered chunks of beef for beef noodle soup. We were learning to make a proper Taiwanese feast.
We were doing it wrong, learning the secrets of Din Tai Fung.
In order to hold its filling, a dumpling wrapper can't crack or break. If it does, then bye-bye soup. Precise dough weighing, rolling, sizing, filling, folding, and creasing has to be just right for every single dumpling. Otherwise, it breaks. While we mixed up dumpling dough, our guide dished on the secrets of legendary Taiwan-based dim sum restaurant chain Din Tai Fung. The look of their iconic creased dumplings isn't just for show. Each ball of dumpling dough and spoonful of filling is precisely weighed. The golden ratio? 18 folds, or a 5-gram wrapper filled with 16 grams of meat and soup mixture. Dumpling masters at Din Tai Fung have to make 4 dumplings in 1 minute. We were happy to just make a dumpling that didn't fall apart and held its soup.
But the real test of the soup dumpling master is getting the dumpling to the mouth with the soup inside. While we did pretty well with our other steps, we've still got some finesse to learn when serving our dumplings. We're happy to continue practicing.
Family togetherness. Our cooking class was Taiwan Cooking Revealed. With guides who spoke English, we parents and kids alike learned 4 Taiwanese dishes in about 3 hours. Above all, we didn't just gain the knowledge of mastering soup dumplings, along with the humbling wisdom that we needed a lot more practice to lock in the soup. We shared this experience as a family. Working side by side for hours, the 4 of us helped each other, problem solved together, and then sat down for a delicious Taiwanese meal that we had cooked ourselves. Even if we didn't master making soup dumplings yet, we did master sharing an activity together. Like us, if you take a cooking class with your family in Taipei, don't be surprised if those experiences and memories become your favorite souvenirs of your travels in Taiwan.
So yeah, cucumber salads, got our beef noodle soup, got our soup dumplings, and our boba tea. Cheers.
Oh no, shout! Stuck a little bit. No, my soup spilled out.
Oh,
There it is.
oh, dumplings ready. Oh, 谢谢。
Really good.